Okay, now we're looking at example 7. Expressing one quantity as a percentage of another quantity when each quantity has different units. In example 6, they were both the same units. So for each of these, we have to express the quantities with the same units and then work out the percentage of the second amount. Round your answer again to one decimal place. So A, we have got 750 metres out of 5 kilometres. We need to change the kilometres to metres. The kilometres are 5,000 metres. Having done that, we can now make our fraction, times it by 100%, and then get our calculator and we find that it is 15%. Okay, so now we're going to look at B. If we look at B, we find that we've got 18 hours out of 1 week. So we need to find a unit that both of these can be. So if we look at a week, there are 7 days, and each day has 24 hours. So that means we have 7 times 24. We have 168 hours in our week. So now we can write our fraction. Okay, so the fraction will be 18 out of 168, and turn that into a percentage. Multiply it by 100%, put the percent sign down, carry it across, put your 18 over 168 times 100 into your calculator, and we get 10.714. Again, they want one decimal place, so we have to cut it off after the 7. So it's 10 point. Because there's a 1 after the 7, we don't change it, so it will be 10.7%.